Alright, this is a little generator review here on these wind generators. I've had this one here, it's a 3800 watt super quiet generator. I've had this one for about a year and it's been doing great, but it's not quite enough power for everything I need, especially here in Florida in the summertime. It gets very hot. This will run one rooftop AC on my bus. Okay, it'll run it fine, and a refrigerator, and it's the lights and stuff. But I needed to run two ACs, and I wanted the inverter generator, to be safe for my electronics. So actually, I've seen these on sale. Let's see, this is $744.75. They've been sold out for a while, but they were on sale for $649 a couple of months ago, I believe. They'll have sales every once in a while, so you can get this even cheaper. And a lot of people compare this to the Predator, which is $849. It's more expensive, and the Predator only comes with a 90-day warranty. You have to buy a 2-year warranty for that, but the Win actually comes with a 2-year factory warranty. So it's got a better warranty and it's cheaper, even when it's not on sale. If it's on sale, it's super good value. But I got to looking at some of these other ones, and I decided to try this open frame one. See, this one's only $393. It's the same size motor. It puts out a couple hundred more watts, so it's pretty much almost the same as this. It's just not quiet. Well, not super quiet, but and then I got the 50 amp parallel kit, and let me tell you, I'm very happy with these. This is probably borderline on the noise level. If you were right next to somebody in a campground, run this at night, they may be annoyed, but you can barely hear this inside of my bus. I can hear it, but it's not loud. It's not super loud. But I just did a little real world test with these. Just used my phone mic. Maybe you can hear the differences in these. I did some power testing. This is just something I hadn't seen any videos online of people paralleling two of these winds together and using this kit. So I just thought I'd make this video and give you my 2 cents. Like I said, I'm pretty happy with these. I like them. Like I said, I've had this one for probably about a year, and I just got this open frame one maybe 2-3 months ago. So, alright, here's my little demonstration of them. Alright, I'm going to do this little video here about these generators I have in my bus and the Win parallel kit to make it into a 50 amp service. Now this is the Win 3800 watt super quiet generator, and this is a 4000 watt open frame inverter generator. I really wanted 2 of these, but a lot of people compare these to the Harbor Freight Predator, and these are a few hundred more watts. They're actually cheaper than the Predators, and they come with a factory 2-year warranty, which with the Predator, I think you have to buy the warranty. It only comes with 90 days. So just that there, and I think these are about, I have to look up prices, but these are $150 cheaper, somewhere around there. Sometimes they have them on sale, but consider that, plus the fact that you have to buy the warranty with the Predator. This is just a better value as far as I'm concerned, and they're supposed to have good customer service. They have factories in the US. These are made in China, but they have parts available in the US. Anyway, they were out of these when I was ready to buy another one, so I figured I'd try this open frame one out. It's a lot cheaper. I believe this one was around $650. This is like $350 or $400. I have to look at the prices, but then they fluctuate up and down, of course. But so with this one, the pull cord is on this side. It doesn't have the electric start. Of course, super quiet one does have the electric start, but when this thing is cold, it is hard. For some reason, this doesn't start very good with this. I always use the pull cord when it's cold, and luckily the pull cord for this one is on the opposite side. on the opposite side. So see, if if I had two of these, then one pull cord would be in the middle, which this kind of worked out. And I have them parallel together, and I will run. Now this one is loud. I mean, this one's a lot louder, of course, but it's way quieter than, say, a construction generator. I have a big generator that I could put in here that will run everything, but it's super loud. With these here, they're way quieter. They put out actually just as much wattage, maybe a little bit more than my big construction generator. And I don't have to run both of them. I can run one AC on this one, and that's just fine. But for two ACs, I needed more power, so went with this. But I'll go ahead and do a little sound test here. I'll crank the super quiet one up first. I'll let you hear it, then I'll shut it off. Crank this one up, let you hear the difference. And then we'll do some stuff with power in the bus. So here's the super quiet one. Okay, that's eco mode off. So that's running wide open. That's running wide open. Eco mode is off. I'll back up away from the bus. Hopefully, I'm just talking normally. Hopefully the camera will pick up. This microphone will pick it up by the way I'm hearing it. Let you back up, not in front of the bus a little ways, and it is, not very loud. I could have a normal, quiet conversation with somebody standing right here, and we could hear each other fine. All right. Shut this one down and fire this one up. Hold on to it. Okay, that's with the eco mode on. You can tell it is louder. I'll back up to the same point I was before. And it, it is noticeably louder, but you can still carry on the conversation right here. So it's not annoyingly loud. It's not that bad. Okay, now I'll show you what it sounds like. Both of them running on eco mode. Both of them running on eco mode, and you actually, you're not going to hear the quiet one hardly at all. It just sounds like just a loud one running out here. So, not super loud. All right, now I'm going to run just the super quiet generator. I'm going to film the power consumption. I'll show you running one AC and a refrigerator inside, and we'll look at the power level. Okay, got it running eco mode off. Alright, we'll go inside the bus. Okay, I'm inside the bus now. I will turn my power switch to generator. You can hear it jump up a little bit. That was a refrigerator coming on. Turn on these lights. Okay, refrigerator is on. This is my 1952 refrigerator. Anyway, we'll turn on one AC on high. And you heard the generator kick up. It's on high cool. Okay, that's the AC refrigerator and these LED lights. And then we'll see what the power consumption is. Okay, back outside. one AC, running at about 50% load. Okay, go inside, turn everything off. Okay, I'm gonna come back inside. I'm gonna turn everything off. Well, turn the AC off manually here, and the refrigerator will just shut off with my refrigerator lights will shut off with my switch here. So, okay, now I've got both generators running on eco mode. We'll go inside and start turning stuff on. Alright, both generators running on eco mode. I'll turn the power on. That refrigerator spiked them up a little bit. Turn the lights on. Turn on this AC. You can hear the generators surge a little bit. One AC on high cool. Let that run for just a second, and I'll turn on the second AC here. But first, let's go look at what the power is now with both generators, one AC, and the fridge running. Okay, back out. Both generators on eco, one AC, and the fridge running. It's running much lower. It was at 50% before, now it's at about 25% load on the 1 meter there. Okay, now I'm about to switch on the second AC. It's first AC running, blowing cold. Let's go to second AC. Hear the generator surge as the compressor kicks on. I've got a fan delay on these. It's supposed to help some. But okay, now they're both running. Is that one? And that. And the refrigerator. Also on. Okay, and we'll go see what the power consumption is now. Wow, that's both of them running. 2 ACs and the fridge. Back up out here, away from it. See, they're running it. You know, the open frame doesn't have a meter on it, but you see the enclosed one does, and it's running lower now with 2 ACs than it was with 1. So you're splitting the load on those generators. All right. Hope this helps. If anybody had any questions about these generators, I usually just run these while I'm driving down the road, so I can run my ACs. I try to stay in campgrounds that have power most of the time, but they do work for boondocking, and they work great when I'm driving down the road, so I don't burn up. My bus doesn't have a AC that runs off the engine. But anyway, hope y'all got something out of this, and let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.